What's up folks, Chef Nate here with another episode of Quick Kitchen Tips, and today I'm going to teach you how to chiffonade basil. Chiffonade is basically a pretentious French term that means to slice something thinly. Let's get started. After you've properly rinsed and dried your basil, go ahead and pull the leaves and the stems off and line them up largest to smallest. And you're going to place the small leaves inside of the larger leaves. Take it and you're going to roll it up, similar to how you would roll another type of herb. Alright, so after you've rolled up your basil like this, you're going to take a sharp knife and you're just going to draw straight back. You want to draw straight back in one clean motion. This is going to keep the basil from turning dark. And then look at that. Perfect topping for any Italian dish. And there you have it. That's how you properly chiffonade basil. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share it with all your friends. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.